In this video, you are going to see how to align object, the shape and the picture perfectly in Microsoft PowerPoint. Here I have 4 circles and this is not aligned perfectly. Let us select all of this. Now go to shape format, go to align and let us select distribute horizontally. Then the space between two shapes will be same. Then go to align and click on align middle. Then it will align perfectly. Let me show you some another option. Let me select it, go to shape format, go to align. You can align center to make it in the center. Then let me show you some another option. Let me select all of this. Let us reduce the size. Now place it like this. Select all of this. Go to shape format, go to align and click on distribute vertically. Then the space between two shapes will be equal. Then again go to align and click on align center. Then it will be aligned properly to the center. So hope you found this video helpful. If you like this video, please share this video with your friends and family and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.